How to reset your field password. Hello everyone, welcome back to app tutorial. In this video we will discuss how you can reset the password of your field account. So let's start. First of all, open the app and log into your account. After you have logged into your field account, you'll come to the home screen like this. Now normally in other applications, when you log out of your account and go to the login screen, you'll get the option called forgot your password, from where you can reset your password. However, when you log out of your field account, you come to an interface like this. Now if you want to log in with the account that you just logged out of, you can simply tap on this log back in option. Otherwise you can tap on choose another account. After that, tap on login. Then after, you can log in either with your email address or your Facebook account. So choose the one that you have used while creating your account. Now as you go to the next screen, you will have to enter your email address. However, as you can see on the screen, there is no option of forgot your password. In fact, you don't even have to enter your password while logging into your account. That is because Field uses your email address verification system in order to log into your account. So when you enter your email address, you will get a verification link in your email. After that, you will have to tap on that verification link in your email and then you will be logged into your account. So let me show you an example. When I enter an email address and tap on next, it will send an email to my address. So I'll have to simply open my mail. Then you'll find an email like this. As you can see, there is this option called login to field. When you tap on it, it will load for a few seconds. Then after, you will be automatically logged in. So since there is no usage of any password, you don't have any option to reset your password. That's it for the video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel for further similar videos and drop a like if you found this helpful.